Welcome to my workshop today. Today we will be discussing how to create a budget that really works for women. Before we begin, I have to get a disclaimer out of the way. The information on this channel is provided with the understanding that Kitu is not engaged in rendering legal, accounting, tax, or other professional advice and services. As such, it should not be used to substitute for consultation with professional accounting, tax, legal, or other competent advisors. In no event the Kitu or its suppliers be liable for special, incidental, indirect, or consequential damages whatsoever arising out of or in connection with your access or use or inability to access or use the service. Please click on the disclaimer link in the video description box below to get more disclaimer details and information. Now, where were we? Oh, a little about me. My name is Nakiba Tuggle. I'm a licensed agent specializing in Medicare, with plans to offer life and disability products soon, and I've been through my own journey of financial stress. There was a time when I felt like money was controlling me instead of the other way around. That experience is exactly why I became a financial educator, because I know how hard it can be, especially for women balancing families, careers, and personal goals. Today, I want to walk you through how to create a budget that works, not one that makes you feel restricted or guilty, but one that gives you freedom, peace of mind, and confidence. Most budgets fail because they feel like diets, too strict, too unrealistic, or too complicated. And let's be real, life doesn't always go as planned. Emergencies happen, moods change, and expenses pop up. A successful budget isn't about perfection. It's about flexibility and clarity. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about direction. Think of it as your money GPS. It tells your dollars where to go instead of wondering where they disappeared at the end of the month. The first step is awareness. Write down your monthly income and all your expenses. Yes, even the coffee runs and online shopping sprees. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making intentional choices instead of accidental ones. One simple method I love is the 50/30/20th rule. About half of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes toward savings or debt. But here's the secret. You can adjust this based on your situation. If debt is high, maybe it's 40/30/30ths. If savings is your priority, you can flip the numbers. It's about creating a plan that fits your life. Many women get desensitized to the word budget because they think it means no fun, but a real budget includes fun money. Whether it's coffee, self-care, or a weekend trip, you deserve to enjoy your life. When you actually plan for fun, you don't have to feel guilty about it. Budgeting doesn't have to look the same for everyone. Some women love pen and paper, some prefer spreadsheets, and some love apps that do the math for them. The best tool is the one you'll actually use consistently. A budget isn't one and done. Just like life changes, so will your spending. I recommend doing a quick weekly check-in to see if you're on track, then a bigger monthly review to make adjustments. This way, you stay in control without feeling stressed. One last tip, before you focus on big goals, build yourself a small emergency fund. Even $500 can stop you from going into debt the next time life surprises you. Then work toward 1 month, 3 months, and eventually 6 months of expenses. Ladies, remember this. Your budget isn't about saying no. It's about saying yes to the things that matter most to you. Start small, be kind to yourself, and let your budget grow with you. If you'd like to dive deeper into financial basics, check out my video on financial literacy linked below. And don't forget, your financial journey doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours.